guys, we're working on a high security cylinder today. We're about to gain entry on it. These sorts of things are hardened steel, so you actually can't really get anything on there. So you're gonna have to figure out a creative way to work it. We're gonna break that set screw. And then just thread the cylinder off. Nice and slow. Hey, here we go. Entry. Let's see what we're seeing there. Have to get something in there. Can't quite see it all either. Hey, buddy, that's how. Oh, excuse me. And that's how you fucking get in. Whew, that was a fun one. Did it.